This sneaker is 1 out of 2 in the Ma Maniere Jordan 5 Still We Rise collection. Still We Rise from dusk till dawn is a phrase that conveys resilience, determination, and perseverance in the face of challenges and adversity. Still We Rise is a powerful declaration of the ability to overcome all obstacles and rise above difficulties. It implies a refusal to be defeated and a commitment to continue moving forward despite setbacks. From dusk till dawn is a metaphorical expression representing the entirety of a day, from the darkness of dusk to the light of dawn. This phrase suggests a continuous effort, working tirelessly and persistently throughout the day and night. It emphasizes a relentless pursuit of goals and aspirations. Together, the phrase communicates a message of unwavering strength, endurance, determination to prevail, no matter how difficult the journey may be. We will always work hard and rise from dusk till dawn.